Feeling alone even when you're surrounded by people? You're not alone, pun intended. Millions struggle with loneliness, but what if the answer wasn't just spending more time with others? In this video, we'll explore surprising solutions to combat loneliness, from the power of vulnerability to building strong social support networks. Feeling disconnected can take a toll, but together we can break the cycle. Let's unlock the secrets to feeling seen, heard, and valued. Loneliness, the silent struggle. Loneliness isn't merely about being alone. It's about feeling disconnected from the world around us. From the person who delivers our mail to the cashier at the grocery store, every interaction, no matter how small, plays a role in shaping our sense of belonging. Yet in today's fast-paced world, genuine connections are becoming increasingly rare. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, many of us find ourselves longing for deeper connections and meaningful relationships. However, societal pressures, technological distractions, and the breakdown of traditional communities often leave us feeling isolated and alone. The stigma surrounding loneliness only serves to compound these feelings, making it difficult for individuals to reach out for help and support. Despite its prevalence, loneliness often remains a silent struggle, hidden beneath the surface of our daily lives. It's time to shine a light on this invisible epidemic and recognize the profound impact it can have on our mental and emotional well-being. By fostering empathy, understanding, and compassion, we can create a world where no one feels alone or forgotten, a world where every individual feels seen, heard, and valued. The psychological impact. Secrets are like heavy burdens we carry, weighing down our minds and souls. Whether it's a trivial matter or a deeply troubling issue, keeping secrets can take a toll on our mental well-being. The shame and isolation associated with secrecy can lead to anxiety, depression, and a profound sense of loneliness. When we choose to keep our struggles hidden, we deny ourselves the opportunity to seek help and support from others. Instead, we are left to grapple with our thoughts and emotions in solitude, trapped in a cycle of rumination and self-doubt. Research has shown that the act of confiding in someone can have profound psychological benefits. By sharing our secrets with a trusted friend or confidant, we not only lighten the burden on our own shoulders, but also strengthen the bonds of intimacy and trust. The simple act of being heard and understood can provide immense relief and validation, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. Moreover, receiving empathy and support from others can help us gain perspective on our problems and develop healthier coping strategies. The social landscape. In today's fast-paced and hyper-connected world, forming and maintaining meaningful social connections has become increasingly challenging. Technological advancements and societal shifts have transformed the way we interact with one another, often at the expense of genuine human connection. Geographical mobility, career pressures, and the breakdown of traditional institutions have all contributed to the erosion of our social fabric, leaving many feeling adrift in a sea of superficial relationships. The rise of social media and digital communication has further complicated the social landscape, blurring the lines between virtual and real-world interactions. While these platforms offer unprecedented opportunities for connectivity, they also present unique challenges, such as the pressure to curate a perfect online persona and the tendency to compare our lives to others. As a result, many individuals find themselves feeling lonelier than ever, despite being constantly connected to others online. Moreover, the COVID-19 pandemic has exacerbated feelings of isolation and disconnection, particularly among young adults and women. The shift to remote work and social distancing measures has further isolated individuals from their social support networks, leading to a rise in loneliness and mental health issues. In order to address the growing epidemic of loneliness, we must recognize the importance of fostering genuine human connections in our lives. By prioritizing face-to-face interactions, cultivating empathy and understanding, and building strong social support networks, we can create a world where no one feels alone or isolated. It's time to reclaim the lost art of friendship and rediscover the joy of genuine human connection. The gender gap. Loneliness doesn't discriminate based on gender, yet studies have shown notable differences in how men and women experience and cope with feelings of isolation. While women are often portrayed as being more socially adept and emotionally expressive, they too struggle with loneliness, particularly in the wake of major life changes such as motherhood or retirement. However, it's among young men that we see a concerning trend emerging. Studies indicate a significant increase in loneliness among young men, with many reporting a lack of close friendships or social support networks. The pressures of modern masculinity, which often emphasize stoicism and self-reliance, can make it difficult for men to seek help or open up about their feelings of loneliness. Moreover, societal expectations regarding male friendships and emotional expression can further exacerbate feelings of isolation among men. The emphasis on competition and dominance in male social dynamics can hinder the formation of close, supportive relationships, leaving many men feeling disconnected and alone. In contrast, women tend to prioritize social connections and emotional intimacy in their friendships, which can serve as a buffer against loneliness. However, the pandemic has taken a toll on women's social networks, with many reporting a loss of contact with friends and loved ones due to social distancing measures. As we navigate these shifting social dynamics, it's crucial to recognize the importance of friendship and emotional support in promoting overall well-being. By challenging traditional gender norms, fostering empathy and understanding, and encouraging open communication, we can create a more inclusive and supportive society where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. Breaking the cycle. Breaking free from the cycle of loneliness requires a concerted effort to prioritize genuine human connections and cultivate meaningful relationships. It begins with acknowledging our own vulnerability and recognizing the importance of reaching out to others for support. This may involve stepping outside of our comfort zones, initiating conversations, and actively seeking opportunities for social interaction. One key step in breaking the cycle of loneliness is to challenge the stigma surrounding mental health and social isolation. By openly discussing our struggles and sharing our experiences with others, we can create a supportive environment where individuals feel comfortable seeking help and support. This may involve participating in support groups, therapy sessions, or community events aimed at promoting mental well-being and social connection. Moreover, fostering empathy and understanding towards others is essential in building strong and lasting relationships. By actively listening to others, offering support and encouragement, and being present in their lives, we can cultivate deeper connections that transcend superficial interactions. Additionally, taking proactive steps to strengthen our social support networks can help mitigate feelings of loneliness and isolation. This may involve reconnecting with old friends, joining clubs or social groups, or volunteering in our communities. By surrounding ourselves with supportive and like-minded individuals, we can create a sense of belonging and camaraderie that enriches our lives and bolsters our mental well-being. Loneliness may be invisible, but its impact is profound. It's time to shine a light on this silent epidemic and take meaningful steps to address it. By fostering genuine connections, supporting one another, and prioritizing relationships, we can build a future where loneliness is no longer a silent struggle, but a shared experience overcome through compassion and community. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.